further. We're not going there, but... Oh, that is sick. Huh? I went straight. It's good that it goes this far, but it's not looking like it's gonna get out anywhere.
I'm gonna go through.
Alright, we're here now.
Yeah.
The fact that there's no graffiti is a bit eerie. That's cool.
That is cool.
Actually, hang on. That may have been an exit.
What?
Where are we? Hang on. I want to check on map if you don't mind.
Yeah, we'll go.
Keep doing this shit. A little bit further.
Let's track on. If we find something cool, I'll be so happy.
That would be there, worth it, yeah. Do you have a torch or?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You never know. Maybe there is an exit.
Maybe.
But then again, the graffiti there said rip exit, so.
Yeah. Bolting and cops.
Shit. Gonna fucking give me a heart attack.
Oh, yeah.
This could probably go into the fucking hills at this rate. I'm gonna take a rest. Fuck that shit. Wait, okay. Should be good. But let's not push to like where we just collapse or whatever, because we do need to make it all the way back.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not 2074, so. I doubt it comes out somewhere, but I guess it's a gutter box maybe. Yeah. Oh man.
I'm gonna keep on going, lad. I'm hoping around this corner it's just like
Dude, it would be sick, but... Oh my lord. Oh, no way!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
It's a room, it's a fucking room!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Holy shit, look at this shit!
Holy shit! Holy shit!
What?
Fucking flies everywhere, bro.
Yeah, I know, but still. What? Holy shit!
Put my belly on. Can you get out?
Yeah. You could, we're in a construction site. Alright. There we go. Holy shit, we're inside of a fucking construction site. Sorry. What the fuck, look at this. We're actually inside of one. We're under. Yeah, right behind you. I think so, we'll go.